Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a juicing video that was requested by @beingKimberly Arlinda. Her link will be in my description box down below because as requested, this was something that she mentioned in my comments, as you guys can see here, that she wanted to see. So I immediately went to the store, got the materials that we're gonna need in order to make this juice. And let me just say that this juice is fire. You're gonna need 6 to 8 oranges, 2 to 3 mangoes, 3 lemons, 1 thumb of ginger, and a whole pineapple. Before I go any further into this video today, I will say that this video is in collaboration with Whitaker's Way, and we are bringing you all a juicing recipe. I chose to do a mango orange as I was asked by Kimberly to bring this to you all. So a pineapple mango juice is what I am preparing. After you watch this video, please be sure to go over and check out Kabanay's video. Her link to her channel will be in my description box down below, as well as the link to her video. So I went ahead and washed off all of the fruit and vegetables that I was going to need for this juice, and I decided that I wanted to make this juice also to show you all that it's low in calories, it's high in antioxidants, and that it cuts back so much sugar because you're not adding any sweetener to these type of juices. You are just strictly using the fruit or the vegetable. Some of the benefits of the pineapple juice is that it's low in calorie. It has vitamin C. It also improves vision. It also helps to immune boost as well, and it helps with weight loss. And it's great for a great source of fiber, such as digestion. And it's also great for bone health. Some of the benefits of the mango juice is that it's low in calorie. It brings vitamin A and C. It also improves the vision. It also is a great immune booster. It's also a great source of fiber, but it also is a great source for iron and potassium. Meanwhile, I'm still cutting up all of the fruit, getting that ready to go into the juicer. If you have a blender, this is still going to be another great way to break down your fruit so that it is what you want. Now, let me just say that I think that fresh mangoes are going to definitely be better than buying mangoes straight out of a can or already cut up for you. You want the best fresh fruit possible. Alright, so you're cutting up a thumb of the ginger, and you do not have to peel the outside of the ginger. You can leave it exactly how it is. I did go ahead and just cut up my oranges into fourths after cutting them into half, just to go ahead and get this over and done with. Now the mangoes I did have to slice up and then basically scoop it to the flesh and just scoop it out because that's just how that was working. Some of the time I did cut the skin off of the orange just to see how this would go, and if next time I can just easily go without cutting the outside, but I couldn't. So it does go strictly into the bin of rinds, so that's a good thing, but it also juices it just straightforward if you have the outside cut off. I'm going to go ahead and get these things into the juicer so that we can go ahead and get this juice going. Look at how bright the color is and how brilliant it is. The texture is, of course, very, very sweet. So because of the natural sugars that are added from the ripened fruit and the ready fruit. And so with this, it has a tropical quality because of the pineapples, and like the orange will keep a doctor away. So orange day will keep the doctors away, y'all. The lemon juice is basically to balance out the sweetness, and then the ginger makes it special because of the peppery taste. And so not only does it have a tropical quality because of the pineapple, but the mango as well. The mango is mainly the ripened part of the juice, and so I went ahead, juiced all of my fruit that was in the pan, and I just kept pouring it into a bowl that was going to keep all of my juice fresh. I went ahead and mixed it all up, and I went ahead this time because of Miss Amechi recommending that I keep all of the pulp and make it into ice cubes and basically make it into something I can use for later. I did. I put those to the side after washing my juicer, and I went ahead and put it in a ice cube tray, and I got this ice cube tray from TJ Maxx. This ice cube tray was literally like $3.99. I took most of the pulp out of this mini storage container and smoothed it down into the slots, and I'm just going to freeze it, and I can use it later to make a smoothie. So that was a really great tip, and thank you, Miss Amechi, for that tip. And you also can make these into popsicles, not the pulp but the actual juice itself. You can take this juice, put it in some cups, let it get frozen for a little while, especially with the summer coming up and the spring coming up, nice hot weather, and you can just wait a little bit and then put popsicle sticks down in them. And you can eat them for yourself, or if the kids would like a fresh fruit juice popsicle, that's totally fine too. I use these little jars here that I bought from Amazon, and so this is the orange pineapple mango lemon ginger juice, and it is the best tropical juice to promote good health. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please be sure to check out Whitaker's Ways video in my description box down below.